University of Technology and Caribbean Maritime University have both made their way into the Intercollegiate basketball competition semifinals after finishing second and third in the standings respectively. UTEC defeated CMU 71-64 to leapfrog them in the table. Dejon Royal 24 points, 5 rebounds and 3 assists, and Kevin Gale 14 points, 13 rebounds and 8 blocks led the way for UTEC. UTEC and CMU will meet again in the semi-final to be played at UTEC on Tuesday.
Yeah, this was hostile territory. I think we came down here and pulled it out. No matter what was going on, we went out there and did our job. Played good defense tonight, and that made us persevere for sure.
Meanwhile, table-toppers GC Foster College suffered their first defeat of the season, falling 58-60 to the Jamaica University College in the final seconds of their game. GC Foster will take on fourth place UWI in the other semi-final at GC Foster College. Both semi-finals will take place starting at 6:30 p.m.